In environments where safety is critical, introducing the GT-2511-WP Smart Gas Detector/Transmitter, from Ambetronics, India's trusted name in gas detection and safety solutions. The GT-2511-WP provides fast and reliable detection of oxygen, toxic, combustible gases, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. With smart, pluggable gas sensor modules and hot-swappable design, servicing and sensor replacement become effortless. While the color-coded display keeps you informed at a glance. Green for normal operation. Red for alarm condition. Blue for sensor fault or open circuit. Features: highly sensitive detection from ppm to % LEL levels. LCD digital display for gas concentration. 4 to 20 mA and 0 to 5V/0 to 10V analog outputs. RS-485 Modbus RTU communication for integration. Password protected programming. Alarm LEDs, relays, and output current diagnostics. Dual configurable alarm levels with fault indication. Applications: power and industrial plants, chemical processing units, water treatment facilities, boiler and research room, car parking. Wherever gas safety matters, Ambetronics delivers dependable detection. GT-2511-WP, smart, safe, and reliable. We offer multiple versions of this product to suit diverse industrial needs. Our infrastructure. Ambetronics, protecting lives through technology.